Good morning. Welcome to the Morning Pages. Day 27. I would scream that if I didn't live with roommates, but since I do, I have to be the Morning Pages. Not gonna lie, I was having college-ruled nightmares or little kind of anxieties earlier this morning when I was kind of half awake and half asleep. I was like, oh, college ruled. Why? There's too many lines. It was kind of funny how it's trying to work its way into some sort of issue for me, but I'm recognizing it and I'm just like, dude, just stop stressing out about it. There's no way around it. I've already bought the notebook. I can't go return this thing. This is just what I have to do, so I don't know. Other news, I got my humor piece in. If you're following along, I submitted a piece of humor writing to the newspaper editor where I freelance at, and I'm waiting to hear back from him. That's kind of cool. Yesterday when I was writing it around 4 o'clock and I had to be somewhere at 8, I had like a major rewrite sort of things to switch around and change. It was driving me crazy. I cursed writing. I really was like throwing a temper tantrum because I don't know why. I spent so many hours writing a 2-page thing about nonsense essentially, and I'm like, this is what I'm spending my time on. I mean, I guess so. But and so anyways, it's submitted, it's done, I got it done. I was very relieved to have gotten it done, and now I'm back. Morning Pages, day 27. Let's do this. Today's the 6th, and the pen is still not out of ink. I'm ready to get rid of it and throw it out because it's too light. The pen ink is getting very light, but I'm still gonna go on and continue. Is this the pen with no ink? Yeah, this is it. Yeah, it's writing dark now. I don't know what's happening. I just woke up. July 16th, 2023. Here we go. Alrighty. This pen is not stopping. Page 1. Page 2. Page 3. College ruled. No nonsense pages. Whoa, that felt... I did that even faster than yesterday. I did that in about 25 minutes. I really felt just on it today. I don't even know how it was literally like a blur. It was like my mind, it wasn't even like my mind, it was like my soul knew what I wanted to write, and it just wrote it. It just really, and it was just beautiful. It was just a really nice piece of writing that was allowing me to examine my life, friendships, relationships, everything, and just see how much work I've done on myself, where I've been in the last few years and where I've become, and how embracing everything in life, the good, the bad, just everything, and just seeing, just letting go of energies. It was just a crazy entry. that was very much guided by something beyond me. That felt really good. Even when my hand started to hurt, I was thankful for my hand hurting, and I was thankful for the college ruled, and it was kind of a good lesson. It's like you have this anxiety over something, and that's how a lot of my life went for a long time. It's like I think I was just getting anxiety over the college rule because it was something new, and I was feeling this anxiety over it. And I mean, in my old ways, I would let that anxiety eat me up inside and really mess with me. But now I felt it, I acknowledged it, and I loved it, and I was like, and then it just washed over me. I'm going to the lake today, getting on my motorcycle, cruising up the mountain, kind of down the mountain, shirt off, shorts on, music playing, and a little bit of this, a little bit of swimming, a little bit of meditation as well. It's one of my favorite days in the summer. I'm really enjoying the summer. I don't mind the heat. I mean, yesterday the heat was, I have a whole story with that, but anyways, thank you all for watching, writing along with me. If you are writing, if you're just watching it, if you're skipping the videos, I thank you as well, because you're filling your time with something you want to fill it with. Today's day 27. 3 more days, 28, 29, and 30. I feel like I'm exactly where I am. To write pages like that I feel that good about, and that I just felt really grateful to have found these pages and to be writing them, and to give a little, I mean, I just like the morning pages because rather than a journal or a diary entry, it just gives you a context. It's like 3 pages and here's why you're doing it. So that for me, just getting that little bit of information really snapped things into place and helped me understand what I'm doing here a lot more than if I just was trying to do a random thing. So I guess I need a little bit of structure in my life when that goes, but when whatever that says, I don't know. It's still early. All right, see y'all later. Have a great Sunday.